All right, let's look at this question. It's a sequence question, but it's got a logarithmic terms in it. We have this sequence that you can see right here. This is the sequence, and it is geometric. We want to find the value of x, which is right here. All right, the first thing we got to deal with, we have to define what the common ratio is because it's the geometric sequence. Now, the common ratio, usually what you can find is when you divide the two successive terms, t2 divided by t1, that ratio will always give you r, which is a common ratio. So in this case, I can just say log of n base 4 divided by log of n base 2. That will give me the ratio r. So let's do some mathematical gymnastics, simplify that fraction. So this is actually log of n divided by log of 4, all of that, and then we're going to rewrite the log of n in a form of log of n divided by log of 2. You can do that to change the base. And now from here, now you have to simplify. So log of n divided by log of n, that's simple. That's actually 1. And then log of 2 comes up. So the top, the numerator, you get log of 2, and then denominator is log of 4, which is what? Which is log of 2 base 4. Now remember, this statement is saying 4 to what exponent will give you 2. So that should be half, right? So basically, what that says is that 4 to what exponent is equal to 2. We know that 4 to the half, or square root of 4, is 2. And that's why we have this fraction right here. The answer is half. So that means we just find what r is. R, the common ratio, is half. Right, so now we have the ratio, common ratio is half. So now we're going to do T3, which is right here. That's your T3 divided by T2, which is log of n base x divided by log of n base 4. We're going to do that since the original sequence that we have log of n base 4, log of n base x. This is T3, that's T2, so we have to divide the two to get the same common ratio of half. And then what I have done, I did the mathematical gymnastics here. But again, when you do this, you realize that, again, log of n and log of n, they divide. And now you're going to end up getting log of x on top and the bottom, sorry. So this would be log of 4 on top divided by log of x. Remember, that should be equal to half because we're still looking at a common ratio. So this is a fraction. We're going to solve this fraction. So cross multiply or multiply by the GCF. So that we get log of x equals to 2 times log of 4. And in this case, we're going to bring the 2 to the top, and that would be log of 4 squared according to the log law, right? So that would be log of 16, and we have log of x. And that means x must be equal to 16 since the bases are the same. They're both base 10. And here it is. That's what we got. We got x equal to 16, which answers the original question, what is the value of x in this sequence? All right, that is it.